everyone, this video guys I will bring you to Mount Helix Park in San Diego. Our friends brought us here. This is the high point offering views of San Diego with a large amphitheater hosting plays, lecture and events. It's very cool. So let's take a look guys.
Want us to sing the Rocky theme while he's running the steps?
Hi, nice.
No, I don't know the Rocky theme.
They have a concert here?
Apparently.
They'll do concert here. Look at that side.
It's going to be a better view up there.
What place are we now?
Still in San Diego.
You want us to take you?
Okay, ready?
Wow! Look at that one. Wow!
See that out there? See the buildings,
Oh
the city?
yeah, that's the San Diego.
And then on the other side, you see that one that's sticking out? That's Point Loma. And then the Coronado Bridge is right here. You see over there, kind of where that plane is. And then down that strip where we rode yesterday.
Honey, listen. Look at me. Honey, look. Where are we? Nice place.
Can you see it behind there?
Yeah. What's this big cross here? Ang ganda. That's a big cross. Honey, here baby.
Well, there's different cities, but like this is Lamation.
But your face is covered. Oh, there's that.
It's better this way with the sun in our face, but then you can't see the view.
Got off.
He goes, they're in the shade. I said, yeah, they've probably been up there a million times. They've already seen it.
That's really nice, huh?
It's pretty cool. It's pretty impressive.
Honey, wait first, hon.
Just stack those.
You did?
That's true.
I'm sure they get stacked over and over.
Wait, where's the tripod?
Yeah, we can take a photo using your. Oh.
She has a tripod. I'll get her one of those that's got
Alihan,
the gimbal
but
thing
it's
on.
dark, Manday.
Hindi yan.
Alihan.
Oops.
Yay.
I don't know when to smile.
I just kept smiling.
Oh,
A
it's
It's
a
video.
Wait, hold
Well,
on.
she'll just go through and
wait,
screenshot
wait,
it.
wait.
What's that mean?
I was trying to get it to focus and, make it more brighter.
Okay, is it done?
It is now.
So the last time you went here, it was late and it's cold.
Yes.
Yeah.
When we went here with Jerry,
Oh,
it's
Jerry Johnson.
afternoon. It's yeah.
Come up here at night.
Like around 5.
Oh.
Ang sini nga park day? Anong tawag?
Yeah.
Mount Helix.
Right.
Mount Helix.
Oh,
Beautiful.
right. They have all these other houses. Yeah. A lot of them you can't even see, but I'm sure there's a reason for it. Yeah, that's what I was told.
Brown building?
Dali.
Ano, picture naman tayo?
Oh, ito. Yung against.
Somewhere along
Hindi, malinaw yan.
Malinaw yan.
Oo.
up this,
Ayun.
coming out of Elkhorn,
Papachugan.
and then maybe over here somewhere. Or if you
Yan,
go
si
straight to where they're
Vanessa.
bikes. We go up over some hill.
Ganda, no? So guys, we're really amazed being here because makita mo talaga ang overlooking sa place. And it's free to the public. And there's a lot of concerts being held here. So I'm very thankful that our friend Jim and Vanessa brought us here. It's something new. So guys, if you ever come to San Diego, come visit Mount Helix Park. And we are heading down now and we are going back to our hotel. So I hope you had a good time. Is it pretty, darling?
Yeah.
This will be all for now, guys. I hope you had fun looking around the area at Mount Helix Park here in San Diego, California. We had a good time with our friend Jim and Vanessa. So guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.